Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a topic that's bound to be useful for all you DIY enthusiasts and car owners out there. We're going to talk about how to fix the P0017 code, which is a common issue many of you might encounter in your vehicles. But before we dive into the solution, let's understand what the P0017 code actually means. Understanding the P0017 code. Alright, so P0017 is a diagnostic trouble code DTC that you might see on your car's OBDI scanner. It specifically relates to the crankshaft position camshaft position correlation bank 1 sensor B. In simpler terms, it means that there's a problem with the synchronization between the crankshaft and camshaft on one side of your engine. Symptoms of P0017 code. Before we get into the fix, let's quickly go over some common symptoms you might experience if your car throws a P0017 code. These can include poor engine performance, rough idling, reduced fuel efficiency, and sometimes even stalling. So if you've noticed any of these issues, it's time to take action. Tools and parts you'll need. Now, let's talk about what you'll need to fix the P0017 code. Here's a list of tools and parts you should have on hand. 1. OBDI scanner to diagnose and clear the trouble code after the fix. 2. Basic hand tools, wrenches, sockets, and screwdrivers. 3. Replacement camshaft position sensor. It's often the culprit behind P0017. 4. Clean cloth and a cleaning agent to clean any oil or debris from the sensor and surrounding. Now, let's get to the fun part, fixing the P0017 code. Please remember that the following steps are a general guideline, and you should always consult your car's specific repair manual for precise instructions. 1. Safety first. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine turned off. 2. Locate the sensor. Find the camshaft position sensor for bank 1 sensor B. It's typically near the front of your engine, and you might need to remove some components or covers to access it. 3. Disconnect the battery. Safety first. Disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to avoid electrical mishaps. 4. Remove the sensor. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector and unscrew the sensor from its mounting point. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. 5. Clean the area. Use a clean cloth and a cleaning agent to remove any oil or debris from the sensor and its surroundings. 6. Install the new sensor. Screw in the replacement camshaft position sensor and reconnect the electrical connector. 7. Reconnect the battery. Reattach the negative terminal of the battery. 8. Clear the trouble code. Use your OBDI scanner to clear the P0017 code. Before we wrap up, it's crucial to verify if the fix worked. Here's what you should do. 1. Start the engine. Start your vehicle and let it idle for a few minutes. 2. Check for codes. Use your OBDI scanner to check for any new trouble codes. If the P0017 code doesn't reappear, that's a great sign. 3. Take a test drive. Go for a short test drive, paying close attention to the engine's performance. Ensure it runs smoothly without any hesitation, misfires, or stalling. 4. Monitor engine data. If you have an advanced scanner, you can monitor live engine data. Keep an eye on the camshaft and sensor readings to confirm they are in sync. Here are a few additional tips and maintenance suggestions. 1. Regular oil changes. Keeping your engine oil clean and at the right level is crucial. Dirty or low oil can cause issues with the camshaft and crankshaft sensors. 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Periodically check the wiring and connectors for signs of wear, damage, or corrosion. These can lead to electrical problems triggering the P0017 code. 3. Consult your mechanic. If you've tried fixing the P0017 code and it keeps returning, or if you're not comfortable with the repair process, don't hesitate to consult a professional mechanic. It might be a sign of a deeper issue. 4. Keep records. Maintain a log of any maintenance or repairs you perform on your vehicle. This can be helpful for future reference and can also aid your mechanic in diagnosing problems. Finally, we hope this video has been informative and helpful in guiding you through the process of fixing the P0017 code. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when working on your vehicle, and if you're unsure about anything, seek professional assistance. Don't forget to share your experiences and any tips you might have for dealing with the P0017 code in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive DIY guides. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one. Safe driving!